Hello and welcome to our presentation on the rebirth of Ronseal. From does exactly what it says on the tin to doesn't do exactly what it says on the tin. Don't Ronseal, you're crazy. That is the campaign idea. We realised that the problem was young adults buying their first house find it stressful and chaotic. And we also understood the world is uncertain and stressful enough without the added workload of moving. So, our strategy is to show people that renovating their homes can be fun if you use your imagination and not be so serious. Life is crazy. Let's take it up a notch. Christopher Green is our target audience. He's in his late 20s, married, hard-working, and he's just about to move into a new home. We designed a hub that is on the Ronseal website. It has an agony aunt, tins of fun, tins of your imagination, motivation music, and tins and tricks. So this is the agony aunt page where the public can talk about their problems because life is crazy and you have to talk to someone. It says, let's face it, life is stressful and we are trying to hold it together. What we need to remember is that we are together. So whether it's the mother-in-law that just doesn't stop nagging, or you bought the wrong shade of white, here at Ronseal we don't paint over problems, we paint over wood. So talk to us and hey, we might even be able to help. And then this is our tins of imagination. And it says, here at Ronseal, we want to see if we can take the craziness up a notch. Doesn't do exactly what it says on the tin. We want your wildest ideas and we want them now. Painting doesn't have to be boring and neither do you. Create the chaos, be the chaos. So this is where the public can design their own tins, like the outside of the tin, so it doesn't do exactly what it says on the tin. And then this is our tins of fun. So people are able to create a QR code specifically designed by them. And when you put the QR code on, you can then see this world that people have created. And the copy says, you wish you were a kid again, and here at Ronseal we deliver. Let your imagination run free and create a QR code that opens up a world designed by you. If you are lucky, yours will get printed on one of our tins and everyone can join your universe. And this is our motivation music. So this is where we have a Spotify playlist specifically designed with motivation music. And the copy reads, finding the motivation to do anything is hard these days, let alone attempting to renovate your home. As reliable as ever, we have your back. A playlist to get you in the mood, not only get your feet moving, but get your paint brushing. And it will be a link to Spotify. And then this is our Instagram. It will send a link to the Instagram where there's tips and tricks on different household products that people might not have known about. And the copy reads, we aren't promoting being lazy, but a little life hack here and there won't hurt anyone, especially when it comes to DIY. You will not regret checking out our Instagram for tips and tricks. If you have any you want to share and make our lives a little easier, we will not turn you away. All you have to do is post your tip or trick and hashtag don't Ronseal you're crazy so we can see. We also made some digital print ads that would be shown on Instagram. The type of crazy you want to see, and then a swipe up link to the hub. And life is crazy, let's take it up a notch. So this is our overview map. The social media account will introduce DIY tips and tricks, which will then create a social media presence, and that will lead to association with other DIY people. And this will get owned media by the hashtag and the @ and that will make DIY more fun and not just another stressful thing to do. The Agony Aunt will also do the same with the earned media and news media coverage, and so will the Media Hub, as there's hashtags and @ on that also. Thank you for listening.